Hello everyone, welcome to Analog IAS Prelims High Yielding Series for Prelims 2020, and the topic for this video is Asteroid Impact Deflection Assessment. Asteroids hitting the Earth is one of the likeliest catastrophes that can wipe out most of the life on Earth. So previously there were 5 mass extinctions that happened on Earth, and most of them have caused because of a asteroid or comet impact. Right now we are witnessing what is called the 6th mass extinction, but the difference here is this is supposed to be anthropogenic or man-made. However, we cannot rule out the possibility of a asteroid hitting the Earth. The scientists warn that such an event could reoccur in the near future, and that is the reason over the years scientists have suggested different ways to ward off asteroid impact threats, such as blowing up the asteroid before it reaches the Earth, or deflecting it off Earth's bound course, or by hitting it with a spacecraft. These are the various ideas suggested. Now this asteroid impact deflection assessment is a double spacecraft kinetic impact mission developed by NASA as well as European Space Agency. So this is very important. NASA and European Space Agency. We have to remember that it is not an initiative of ISRO, it is not an initiative of NASA alone. That you have to remember, European Space Agency is also a part of this experiment. So the basic purpose of this experiment is to just deflect the path of asteroid and prevent it from hitting the Earth. So the aim of mission is to test if the technique of deflecting asteroids can work in the future. This is nothing new, but over the years there have been various scientists who suggested these sort of measures. Now this is a plan to put that thought into practice. So this experiment involves something called double asteroid redirection test. Now NASA aims to launch this DART spacecrafts in 2021. So DART will be put to test on Didymos binary near-Earth asteroid system. So DART adopts something called kinetic impactor technique. So the basic logic here is the spacecraft with a lot of force will hit the smaller body of the asteroid and thereby deflect the path. So the speed is estimated to be 6.6 kilometers per second. Let us have a look at this question. The IDA experiment is a double spacecraft kinetic impact mission developed by NASA and ISRO. ISRO is false, it is European Space Agency. DART adopts kinetic impactor technique. I have just explained that to deflect the orbit of the smaller body whenever we are talking about an asteroid system. So this second statement is right. The answer is 2 only. Now in case you haven't watched the previous video on the quality of milk, A1 and A2 quality of milk, please go back to that video to answer this question. After watching that video, please come back and post your answer in the comment section below. That's it for now. Thank you. Stay tuned for more such videos.